Services to order. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Okay, let's see who's first up on the agenda. Mr. O'Neill. Morning, John. Morning, Mike.
The employees of the Social Services Department continue to provide extraordinary services to your constituents. And other than that, I have no report.
Any questions for Mr. O'Neill? If not, thank you. Mental health. Morning, Steve.
Morning, everyone. I have just a couple of resolutions here. Number one is a resolution authorizing the appointment of the following as Director of Community Services designee physician in accordance with New York State Mental Hygiene Law. That is Matthew Morgan Hazelwood, MD. This will allow this physician to provide safe evaluation and care of acute psychiatric patients at Adirondack Health.
Somebody like to move that? Mr. Merrihew, do we have a second? Mr. Harrington. Discussion? All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Carried.
Thank you. I have a couple of budget amendments. So I need a resolution authorizing a budget amendment increasing revenues and appropriations in the amount of $33,308 to reflect a cost of living adjustment to state aid to Families First.
Do we have a mover? Mr. Goodell. Would somebody like to second? Mr. Politi. Discussion? All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Carried.
And lastly, a resolution authorizing a budget amendment increasing revenues and appropriations in the amount of $3,901 to reflect the cost of living adjustment to state aid for the substance abuse prevention team.
We have a mover, Mr. Politi. Do we have a second? Mr. Harrington. Discussion? All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Carried.
Thank you very much. If there's any other questions, I'd be happy to entertain those.
Any questions for mental health? If not, thanks, Steve.
Thank you.
Public health. Morning.
Good morning. I wanted to, I guess I'm bringing Laura up. Laura's brand new. I know where you're going. Thank you, that's kind. I wanted to introduce you today to Laura Paradis Dice. I do it all the time. Laura lives in Keene, and she is the new employee of Essex County through a grant that we have with Clinton County. She is going to be the health administrator, health educator for the Creating Healthy Schools and Community grant. That grant will touch Ticonderoga, Moriah, and Elizabethtown. There's a sheet in front of you that has color coding, and it'll tell you about what we plan to do. And I thought I'd introduce Laura just so you all see her face and welcome her to our wonderful community. But I'd like to introduce Laura to say hi to you.
Thanks. Hi. So hi, yes, I'm really excited about working with this grant. We are subcontracted under Clinton County, who received the grant. And as Linda mentioned, we'll be working with 5 schools in the Essex County, and Clinton County will be working with 2 schools, one in Clinton and one in Franklin County. Elizabethtown, Ticonderoga, and Moriah are the schools I'll be working with. Right now we're in an assessment phase. We're assessing their wellness policy. We'll be assessing the school buildings. We'll be also assessing work sites in the community. And hopefully, it's a 5-year grant. Within the 5 years, we'll turn things around and have healthier children and less obesity in our schools. Any questions?
Any questions? If not, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Also on the agenda I was going to discuss accreditation, but I'm going to table that because I'm working with other counties and potentially doing a partnership agreement on accreditation. So I have no further reports.
Any questions for public health? If not, thank you.
Thank you.
Patty? Morning.
Good morning. I have nothing to request. We're pretty busy at the office. Open enrollment for Medicare D is going on right now. So we've got the rest of this month to get through that. So if there's anybody who is having pharmaceutical coverage problems in your community, please give us a call so we can help you work through that. HEAP is kind of in a lull right now because the first mailings have gone out and back already, so HEAP still keeps plugging along, but right now it's open enrollment for Medicare D.
Any questions for Office of the Aging? Mr. Morrow?
No, I just want to take this opportunity to thank Patty because even though the HEAP isn't out yet, we have our own private heating fund in the town of Chesterfield, and Patty takes care of it, and she's quick to respond because people still need fuel when they're all out, completely out. We've had like 3 of them in the last month and a half, and Patty's really been helpful for that. Thank you, Patty, for all your help.
Thank you. Anybody else? If not, thank you. Nancy? Morning.
I have no request. I just want to give you an update. We're working on the winter MBS schedule. We're doing a couple changes. ORDA had requested that we start an hour earlier and go an hour later. So we're trying to accommodate that in the schedule. I'm working on some AVL, which will come up with an app that's like a Where's My Bus, so you can tell how long it's going to be before the bus comes. DOT thinks they may be able to integrate it within their 511 program, and ORDA is working on partnering on sharing any monthly costs there may be for that. And I think we're really close to a contract with MAS on group rides to Plattsburgh. And that's all I have.
Any questions for transportation? Thanks, Nancy.
You're welcome.
Is there anything else to come before Human Services?